Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I've got to start putting this back together again now. I think I've worked out what was the problem. So I'm going to give it another go. I've checked all these, everything's in the correct place. When it is in, it does catch. When it's out, it freewheels and the clutch does pull us out. So I'm hoping that's the only issue, and we can put this together. I also went to our local Royal Enfield workshop and had a chat to them about the sealant to use around here, and they suggested, well, this is what they use, Threebond 1104, and the new version is Neo Plus. It's a bit less volatile or more green, I guess. I don't know what you want to call it. So this is what they use, and they said this is better than the other product they'll use, the Loctite version, which seemed to be a lot more like rubber. And when I pulled this apart, it was there was just little bits of rubber around, but after doing some reading, it says if it breaks off, they can get into the oil galleries and block things. And so they've suggested using this. This is what they use, and this is also what everybody online that I've looked so far has been using this. So I'm going to give this a go. I've had it in my pocket to keep it a little bit warm and thin because it's quite cold again outside. And I'm going to give this a go, and hopefully it'll all work out. So I'm going to follow the book again. That is very running. And just follow around. So maybe I need the okay, I've just put this nozzle on the end to maybe make it a little bit easier. This is quite thin, so a lot less effort putting this on than the Loctite I used. I might just flick another light on. Using the chest mount again to see if this gives a better perspective. and just refer back to the book. And these ones, even though they're internal, the seal is to stop anything being forced out. The oil pushed out through the bolt heads, or through where the studs go. It's almost like it's self-leveling. Okay, now I am by myself today, so I'm going to attempt to do all this with two hands and put it together in the right order.